Mama Akpundu, I want to understand something. Are you possessed?
Bianwokem, I don't want to start with you this early morning. You better leave me alone.
I think there is some witchcraft in this Z world that you are always watching. In the night, when I want to do, you will not be on the bed though. You are watching Z world. Early in the morning, when I want to do, you will also not be on the bed. You are watching Z world. Me, I want to know who you are married to. Is it me or Z world?
Of course, I'm married to Z-World. Who will marry a useless man like you?
Me, useless man. You see what I'm saying? This Z world is seriously giving you a mental problem. And the mental problem is just like the father Z world. It is getting extraordinary every day.
Papa Akpundu, listen to yourself. You think I will respect you when all you do is drink alcohol all day and chase little girls up and down? You mumu man.
I can see you need deliverance. I'll take both you and the television to a powerful pastor so that he can remove that evil spirit that wedded the two of you. Yes, Papa, I agree. But don't take them to the same pastor. Take the television to a reverend father so that he can deliver the television without breaking it. You know how they used to do now? They will spray anointing oil on it, pray for it, and the thing will become delivered. But as for Mama, take her to Pastor Indaboski Pahose. I like his deliverance pattern, like mad. He's very radical. When he's done punching and choking her, not only will the witches run away from her body, they will never come back.
Will you shut up there, useless boy? If it comes to talking rubbish, you have A1. Pass ordinary JAMB and secure admission into the university. You can't.
You have written JAMB 6 times now. And how many times did you fail? 6 times. You should be ashamed of yourself. Your mother is yet to explain to me who the true father of this useless boy is. I don't think this type of stupidity came from me. No, not possible at all. Papa, Mama, I thought the two of you are quarreling. How come the two of you are now joining forces to attack me?
I can never quarrel with my loving husband.
Neither can I quarrel with my lovely wife.
Now, move your useless ass to that kitchen and wash the dirty plates there.
Also check under my bed. There are 3 pots and 4 plates I have been using to eat eba since last week. It must be very dry now. Also take them and wash them. Someone cannot breathe in peace in this house again. Any small thing, Akpundu, you cannot pass ordinary JAMB. Akpundu, you failed JAMB. Now wow, what do I do? How do I gain back my respect in this house? In fact, must everybody go to school? I know that I'm a talented rapper, world best rapper. Eyo, shima mama, she. Eyo, the world best rapper, na me. Eyo, and the watch place where they take chop gari. Eyo. Hey, I don't hammer. If money dey, respect good day. I swear, respect good day. So as I get this talent so, I go still go meet one correct native doctor. Make he give the talent some finishing touches. So that when I rap like this, everybody go mad. Even if the rap stuff no too work out, the Baba fit still find me something wey I go take enter exam hall on JAMB day. I go smash 400 over 400. They never see something. My ancestors, the gods of our land, have fun na. My guys, I dey hail o. Una dey hear me so? Oh God, Other people's fathers die and leave behind wonderful things for them. They inherit multinational companies, estates, and other good things, But look at me. See what my own father left for me to inherit. A shrine. Hey! If I say that man no go make heaven, I talk bad. Even if he mistakenly enters heaven, the angels will hold an election and vote him out. Nonsense, useless man. Well done, oh. Traditional apprentice. Will you keep quiet? Is that how to address the eye of the gods? I'm sorry, eye of the gods. But I was expecting to see an old man as Baba, not a small boy. Shut up! Or I will ask the gods to swallow your useless destiny. I'm sorry, Baba. What have you come here for? How can the gods help you? Baba, I don't understand my life. It's just as if I was born to fail JAMB. As if my destiny is to be giving JAMB my money every year. Any year the cut-off mark is 180, I will score 179. The other year, I scored 199. I was so happy, Then they said they have increased the cut-off mark to 200. Baba, I don't just understand again, oh. Is that all? No, Baba. My parents have concluded that I'm a failure. For 6 years now, I couldn't pass JAMB. I couldn't make money. Baba, I want to be rich. I want to make money with my talent. Ah, you have talent? Which talent is that one? It shock you? Baba, I'm a rapper. World best rapper. It's just that the world does not know me yet. I want the gods to help me with some finishing touches so that I can start to cash out with my rap songs. The gods of our land will help you. I will give you something that you will tie around your waist before entering the exam hall on the day of your JAMB exam. Thank you, Baba. But you have to give something to the gods first. The gods demand that you bring 25 tubers of yam and 5 crates of egg. Ah, in this pandemic, things are very hard though. COVID-19 made things hard for everybody. Oh. Even in the spirit world, the gods are starving. Ah, okay. Once I provide these items, all of my problems will be over, right? These items are for you to pass JAMB only. The gods will tell you what to do in order to make money. For now, go and get the items first. Okay, thank you, Baba. Finally, something good is about to come out of this useless shrine I inherited. Even if it's just to be collecting free food items, it's something, oh. Wait, no just go like that now. Let me press that subscribe button and the bell wey dey in front so that you go follow for the first people wey go dey see our future videos.